Hi everyone, happy return to Shib Kai. Shiba Inu burn is confirmed by Google's CEO prepare to never work again. The news on Monday at South by Southwest hours, following the demise of Silicon Valley banks, which threaten the viability of most tech businesses. Hundreds of festival attendees filed into a virtual Zen escape complete with charming bamboo and cherry tree forests that swayed in the wind, as well as an iconic monument honoring the Japanese hunting dog breed known as the Shiba Inu, which was given the name W. Agmi Temple in reference to the cryptocurrency catchphrase "We're all going to make it." In this video, the CEO of Google reveals that Shiba Inu burned. It provided a break from the collapsing financial ecosystems and the first glimpse at the metaverse being created by the Coin developers. Prepare to never work again. To view our most recent information on expert analysis and price forecasts for Shiba Inus, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Decentralization of cryptocurrency in bank runs like Fridays is unavoidable. Shoshir Kusuma, the mysterious lead developer of Shiba Inu, goes only by his pseudonym and an avatar of a hooded figure in a long cloak, tells Fast Company via Google Meet with his video camera off. He types into a chatbot refusing to speak out loud. He ting banks fractional reserves as more people realize this and decide to diversify. That 5% global adoption number increases, and then people go, "What's this SHIB thing?" and they learn how awesome we're. Not that some people don't already know Web3 evangelists are still a niche subset of Twitter, but among the crypto deans, SHIB might inspire the most cult-like following. Created 2 years ago, the token was born as a joke idea to raise a Dogecoin killer to overtake the rival meme-based token Dogecoin, but its loyal fans, known as the SHIB Army, couldn't have been more serious. Together they slingshot at shibainu into at one time a top 10 cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of $44 billion through nothing but a bootstrapped rally on social media. Along the way, its universe has expanded with the launch of shibaswap, a decentralized exchange platform, and a collection of 10,000 Shoshir NFTs, pixelated Shibu characters bearing different traits from a pirate hat to a slice of pizza dangling from the dog's mouth. After receiving praise from Elon Musk, the creator of Ethereum, and the Italic Butterine, Shibu partnered with the Canadian luggage company Bugatti. What started out as glib trolling by the meme community has expanded to 3.6 million followers on cryptocurrency. It was the third most Googled cryptocurrency globally. Now, it's taking its biggest leap yet with its layer to blockchain called Shibum, which rolled out in beta last week along with a set of new tokens in preparation for a flagship metaverse, Shib the Metaverse, which will open with its first virtual storefront for rock and roll fashion designer John Richmond. With it, Shib hopes to become more than just a meme coin. Some of the loudest people on Twitter are also quick to pile onto news blasts, flinging hashtags like SHIB Army Strong and #Hail SHIB, promising to take SHIB hashtag to the moon in 2022. Shinu's strange backstory adds to the attraction. Its creator, Rosie, was likewise cloaked in mystery before abruptly disappearing from the internet last summer. Ironically, his cat-shaped avatar vanished from the discords for good, but he left behind traces. The roadmap that Ross left behind was followed by Shoshir after the token garnered 6,000 wallets. However, prior to Musk's tweets that sent the price of the SHIB skyrocketing, the team has not decided on the tokenomics for Leash and Bone or whether they will keep a share. Shoshir claims that the money from the sale of the metaverse land plot funds metaverse development, while the money from Shoshi's NFT sales goes elsewhere. Venture capital, but the SHIB's biggest boast is its community, a term that appears frequently in magazine interviews, blog postings, and tweets, as lead advisor Marcy Gastro SHIB Metaverse tells Fast Company. The team hired a company to build the metaverse using Unreal Engine software, and even as they plotted, they're taking into account feedback from the SHIB Army. However, there isn't a creative director on board, so they first create concept art in black and white sketches, publish the drafts on a blog, and wait for social media activity before making constant changes to the coloring and rendering in 3D. The first of the project's 11 zones, the WMI Temple, is an unspoiled fantasy land with grazing deer and open-air yoga. The community extends even to other metaverses like Decentral and the Sandbox or Yuga Labs' Other Side, which is typically seen as competition, but Jastro insists that the pioneers must come together for a space as meaningful and transformative as the metaverse. She compares it to the early days of virtual reality, saying that while it might seem overly friendly, particularly during the lean times of the cryptocurrency winter, when venture capital funding has frozen over and survival feels more cutthroat than ever, but gastric because every metaverse struggles to sell people on the idea of living on a Web3 or even a 3D Web2. Despite Mark Zuckerberg's fervent campaign for Horizon Worlds Meta, people are now more focused on artificial intelligence than the metaverse, so what's good for one may be excellent for all. The idea on which Zuckerberg staked his company's reputation following the metaverse division's $13.3 billion loss in 2022 with only 8,000 daily active users, Central An, arguably the industry leader, was trading at a 60-cent discount to the dollar late last year. Meanwhile, other metaverse coins have seen significant declines of up to 80%, with a total of 589 trillion tokens in circulation and a price of 0.00000001. With its present market value of $6 billion, Shibu would have an amazing implied valuation of $589 trillion, far above even the gross domestic product, if the token were to seek for the val of $1 per token as previously projected. Shiba Inu's most recent advancements are making news. Shiba Inu, the cryptocurrency powering the second-largest meme coin, has seen a surge in popularity among investors drawn by its potential for high returns as demand for the token grows, as its community of holders and traders continues to grow. Of course, any serious investor will realize that such a price would not be attainable without drastic reductions in supply, but many enthusiasts are enticed by the potential profits of investing in this unique millennial-driven cryptocurrency given its current low price and high potential rewards. Shiba Inu, the token powering the second-largest meme coin, flew 15% to trade at 0.120 at the time of writing. Despite the double-digit move in the last day, Shib had emerged in January, rising 96% to a new yearly high of 0.000000011576 by early February. The second most popular cryptocurrency, Shibu, with a market capitalization of $6.6 billion, is currently trading at 0.0000001120. In the past day, Shibu's trading volume has increased by 30% to $321 million, suggesting that investors are building up more money in anticipation of a much larger price move in the coming days. However, the 100-day exponential moving average currently caps price movement below 0.112. A break above this key moving average is still necessary for Shib to maintain important momentum metrics, such as the convergence of the moving average after the market as a whole and Shiba Inu were dumped owing to Silicon Valley Bank's failure. Divergence revealed a resolute bullish face. The daily time frame chart showed a buy signal from the MACD. On the 4-hour chart, the MACD maintains the buy signal while remaining above the mean line. The price of Shiba Inu is above the 100-day moving average, 100 EMA, which is at 0.111 on the 4-hour chart. Keep in mind that the 100 EMA is the immediate resistance on the daily chart. A daily close above 0.111 could confirm that support is intact and the path with the least resistance is to the upside. That concludes today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up. Buyers are determined to hold on to the precious gains this time, especially during this week's recovery ahead of the Federal Reserve. To view our most recent content, please like and subscribe to the channel.